Hey guys, Keaira here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do jumbo feed-in braids for a protective style. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting on washed and conditioned hair. My hair has been stretched and I already started to separate it into sections. I'm using a RUWA pre-stretched braiding hair. For my styler, I'm using the Almond Jai Twist and Butter by Camille Rose Eco Styler Gel. You'll also need a red tail comb and a wide tooth comb for this style. So let's hop right into it. So again, guys, I washed my hair and I let it air dry, so that's why it still has waves. Honestly, I regret doing this. I really think I should have blow dried my hair. It would have made this whole process easier, but I didn't, so your girl had to struggle a little bit. So I already set it on the back sections because, first of all, y'all, it was late and these braids took a lot more work than I thought. So I'm like, let me just knock out this back off camera and then I'll show you guys my technique up front. So again, here is a pretty large section. I made sure I detangle the section first. Now I'm adding the Almond Jai twisting butter just to add some moisture to my hair to make sure the section is nice and smooth before I start braiding. And next I will go in with a little bit of the Eco Styler Gel and I put it on my roots to make sure that the roots are nice and smooth, because with this style I just like for my roots to look nice and sleek. But most importantly, make sure you moisturize first and then you get those roots. Now for the fun part, I will separate my hair into 3 sections, just like you're doing a regular French braid to your hair. The jumbo feed-in style starts out as a regular French braid, and I will go in and I will braid my hair twice, and then I will reach for a nice, I believe I used about a medium-sized piece of the hair to feed in. I did want this style to have more of a chunky look, so I did use bigger pieces of the hair to make sure I achieved that. So again, I did French braid my hair down about 2 times before I added the first piece of feed-in hair. It may have looked like I braided it more than 2 times, but y'all see my hair is already thick and long, and sometimes I'd be like, Keaira, why did you decide to do this style? Like halfway into it, I'd be like, why? But I just had to keep going. So now I'll go ahead and add my second piece after braiding down about 2 more times, and I will continue to braid down. Then I'll add a 3rd piece and a 4th piece. I believe I used 4 pieces of the braiding hair for each French braid, and then I will just continue to do a basic French braid. I will continue with the same technique. I'm using the Eco Styler on my edges and on my roots to make sure everything is nice and sleek and snatched. I did already start to moisturize my hair with the cream that I'm using, and then I will start the French braid. Again, it is a basic French braid to start off. I'll add my first piece of feed-in hair under my pointer finger, and I will start to braid down, and I will continue to add about 3 to 4 pieces and use the same exact technique, feed it in the French braid as I go down to create a nice jumbo braid. Okay guys, so we are all done with the French braids. Everything is looking good. Not perfect, but looking good. So now I will go ahead and flexi rod the ends of the braids. I just did a regular flexi rod, and now I will go ahead and dip the braids in some super hot water. I actually did some feeding braids on my daughter's hair, and we used the flexi rods to curl the ends, and it turned out pretty cute. And my ends were really long. I was tripping. I did not need to braid this hair this long, so the curls actually really helped to not have it looking just like crazy stupid long. Eventually I did end up trimming off some of the ends anyway, so yeah, I just dipped the flexi rod braids in the hot water, and bam, look, super cute. A cute little Shirley Temple curl, and it turned out really nice. Okay guys, I'm all done. It turned out pretty cute, but your girl is tired. I've been doing these braids for about 5 hours, so I'm going to bed and I will be back with an update. Okay guys, this is the final look. I've had these braids in for about 5 days now, and I'm loving them so far. At night, I just put them in a big bun at the top of my head. I tie a silk scarf around my edges, and I put on a bonnet. Overall, it's been a really good braid for me. It's a really good protective style. I haven't had to like add any oil to my scalp or anything like that. Like, I made sure my hair was nice and moisturized while I did the braids. So overall, I'm really happy with this style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.